What's up, guys? It's your girl Zamira Imani, and today me and my boyfriend is making crab dip, as you guys can see. Okay, so you're gonna need cream cheese. You're gonna need crab meat, obviously. You're also gonna need mayo, Old Bay seasoning, some Goya seasoning, and sharp cheddar cheese. Okay, so this is the pan that we'll use. We have our measuring cups and a little mixer spoon, spatula type thing, also a can opener. Make sure to preheat that oven to 350. Alright, so he's gonna open up the crab meat because I'm really bad with the can opener. Unless it's electrical, I do not know how to use those handheld joints. I'm going to soften up the cream cheese because it said that it need to be softened. Okay. But apparently he don't know how to use the can opener either. He gonna say it's fancy. Like, what? But I gave him two. So he had two options. He didn't have to use that one. Okay, so he finally decides to use the other one. And that one worked. Meanwhile, I got distracted. I'm still softening the cream cheese because of him. Okay, so I'm still softening the cream cheese, and he finally got the lid off, as you can see. So now we're moving on to the next part. So you need a cup of mayo. So I'll let him do that. And I like to clean up as I go along because I'm my mother's child. I don't like to leave a mess. So I cleans up as I go. I guess I got too rough with the cream cheese because that joint def popped out. As y'all can see, I only like doing the fun parts because I still have the cream cheese. I'm making him do all the other stuff, and then I'll do the mixing because that's the fun part. Okay, so now you want to start putting your ingredients into the bowl. First, we put our cup of mayo into the bowl. Then you need a 1/4 cup for your cheese. And so I just start putting that in there. It took me a little minute because the bag wanted to act like it didn't want to let the cheese out. And that was irking me a little bit. I won't lie. So I was trying to get it in there without making a mess, but still ended up making a little bit of a mess. But as you can see, I cleans it up. And make sure you just put enough in there. Then you want to close that bag up because you don't want your cheese to dry out and be nasty. Then you want to put your cheese into the bowl like that. Okay, so I picked up the Goya seasoning, but I'm going to use some of this Old Bay real quick. I'm not really a fan of Old Bay seasoning, so I didn't use a lot. I just sprinkled enough to see. That's about it. He swore he was doing something by looking in the bowl as if I was going to put more if he said it wasn't enough. That's it. Now we going in with that Goya seasoning, and I love Goya. I will literally put that on any and everything. It gives everything flavor. It tastes so good. Try it, especially on your fried chicken. Key. It's key, y'all. Now you need your cream cheese. Make sure you put your cream cheese in there. I had put it over the stove for a little bit to soften it up a little more so that it wouldn't be so hard. Okay, so once you got all your ingredients inside the bowl, you want to mix it up really, really well until it's all smooth and mixed in thoroughly before you add your crab meat. So you see it coming together because it's kind of turning like a yellowish color. That's when you know that you got it all mixed in there thoroughly. Okay, so now you want to add that crab meat in there. I was breaking it up so that it wouldn't be like chunks inside, the ingredients or whatever. It's up to you. You can do that or you don't have to, but that's just what I did. So once you got all the crab meat in there, you want to start mixing it in. Mix all the ingredients into each other really well. Okay, so this is what it will look like after you get finished mixing everything into your bowl. Okay, so now you want to put it into your pan. And I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so you'll see me like smoothing it out. And my boyfriend was laughing at me, but I'm like, what's funny? Nothing's funny. Okay, so once you have that smoothed out, you want to add your cheese, and you're going to just layer that across the whole top of your crab dip and make sure it's, in every part, on every part of your crab dip. So you get that cheesy crab dip. So this is what it looks like before you put it into the oven. Now, here we go, putting it into the oven. The oven is on 350, remember, and you're going to put it in there for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks really good. And this is our first time trying this, so we about to see how it tastes, guys. Okay, so we both really liked it. We both thought it was really good. He thought it was really good because he don't really eat dip. Like, my mom makes a bunch of different types of dip, so I'm used to it, but he said it was something different for him. He started talking trash, so I told him he couldn't have no more. But then he started putting his chips inside of my pan, and that is not okay. Like, that is just childish. As y'all can see, I got sick of him putting his nasty little hands inside of my pan, so I finally just let him have some out the bowl. Because what are you doing? Alright guys, so that is it for this video. That is how you make cheesy crab dip. You guys should try it. It really was good, and it's really quick and easy to make. Like, real easy. So I think that y'all should try it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. And if you do try to make it, let me know how it came out in the comments below. I'm out.